Rain lashes against the window of the cramped hostel room, blurring the outside world. Anya stares in dismay at the overflowing laundry bag, a mountain of dirty clothes mocking her. The room is filled with the heavy smell of stale noodles and damp fabric, a suffocating aroma. Anya sighs, a wave of defeat washing over her as she surveys the chaotic scene. Each item in the bag is a testament to her travels, a reminder of adventures now tainted. The sheer volume of laundry seems insurmountable, a symbol of her weariness. In a cramped hostel room, Anya resolutely plugs the sink, readying for a task. The water turns a vibrant blue as detergent mixes in. With determined energy, Anya begins scrubbing her clothes. She attacks each stain with gusto, her movements precise. The small room fills with splashing sounds. The air is thick with the floral scent of detergent. In a cramped hostel room, Anya spreads a large towel, her face set with determination. She rolls each item of clothing tightly, her brow furrowed in intense concentration. Squeezing out the excess water, she works methodically, her movements precise. The room transforms as neatly rolled bundles of damp clothing accumulate around her. In the cramped hostel room, Anya creates a humid haven, stringing a makeshift clothesline between bunk beds. Damp clothes hang strategically near the rattling AC, transforming the space into a fragrant jungle. The rhythmic hum of the AC becomes Anya's lullaby, a constant drone in her temporary abode. Contentment washes over Anya as she prepares to sleep, finding peace amidst the chaos. The air is thick with moisture, clinging to every surface. Anya smiles, surrendering to the gentle embrace of slumber in her unique sanctuary.